Flight's Automated Flight Information Reporting, or AFIRS family, has a new addition. The new AFIRS Edge, an industry first in providing 5G on-ground wireless technology, is a comprehensive and expandable solution for crew information and connectivity needs. Product options include a wired power and data connection for your portable EFBs, as well as an enhanced aid capability which reduces crew workload and improves operational efficiency and safety. The AFIRS Edge can provide IP connectivity in all phases of flight for multiple use cases and has ample onboard storage for persistent data needs such as for ETech log. A unique feature is an option for fully integrated Iridium IP connectivity providing pole-to-pole cockpit communication coverage. The Edge unit has several installation options including E&E bay depending on customer preference or upgrade needs. Future-proof, the AFIRS Edge supports dual QAR, DAR, and multi-SIM LTE 5G wireless. With Flight's engineering services, we offer Edge integration also with other IP links already installed on board. Real-time situational awareness, weather, and traffic information can be provided as an option through free FISB and TISB services in the continental U.S. FAA FISB website has a full list of information. AFIRS Edge features a powerful onboard edge analytics capability that uses an innovative approach leveraging Flight's AFIRS technology. This means complex analytics can be developed and deployed more efficiently than conventional AOC and ACMS updates. Communication options also include fully global AFIRS over IP. The WQAR function includes expanded data harvesting that is fully under airline control, and it also serves as an IoT gateway on the aircraft, ready to support new IoT sensor technologies as they are deployed. The AFIRS Edge solution is the ultimate avionics solution that delivers the right information to the right person at the right time, or as Flight calls it, actionable intelligence.